So I just want to show you the state of the VW Passat engine, been used for lots of short stop-start journeys. Got a split pipe down there by the thermostat, which I've changed. I took the throttle body off, just left it here, and just to show you, I hope you can see how gunked up it is. It's got about 107,000 on. The actual engine is okay, but just to show you the state of all the burnt carbon, and that is mainly down to short stop-start journeys. So that's got to be all cleaned out. Yes, I'm going to have the DPF cleaned out at the back. Probably a force regen on it. But yeah, just shows you they aren't built for short stop-start journeys, which we know now. But can you remember when the government told us to buy them? Because they're the best things since sliced bread. And now, a few years down the line, they're an absolute nightmare and they cost a fortune. But hey ho. So yeah, I just thought you'd like to see. That's just one part. So if you imagine it's all come through the EGR valves and everything, and all the DPFs all clogged up, it's going to be delightful, isn't it? This is the B7 2014 model. Thanks for watching. Catch you all again later.